Welcome to Mabry's Blended Genetics unit. This course is an extension of our traditional class. For our genetics unit, you will complete some assignments in class and some online. For other assignments, we'll blend the two, making it a blended activity. We've also decided to blend all of Ms. Kulkarni's and all of Ms. Larkin's students together into small learning groups so that you can work closely with your peers over the next few weeks. The purpose of this video is to help you learn how to navigate through Edmodo so you can find all of the resources you need. First, I would like to start with the course calendar. If you look to your right, you'll notice a calendar icon. In this location, we'll be posting important due dates and reminders for upcoming activities, deadlines, quizzes, and other dates that you might need to know to be successful in this course. So check the calendar often. The most important thing for you to know is that this class will run off of the folder system. If you look on the left side of your screen, you'll notice the folder tab. Here you'll notice that we've divided all of the unit's content into 6 learning modules. It says 5 because we're actually starting with Module 0, Navigating the Course. These are the resources that you'll be using today and also referring back to throughout the course. Since we're learning how to learn online, we've posted a few resources for you that may help, starting with the Mabry Tech Tips for Students. You can preview this file or download it and see a list of suggestions, everything from keeping your devices fully charged, working in a word processor for easy spell check and grammar checks, saving often, backing up your work on flash drives, the cloud, or your Edmodo backpack, remembering all your usernames and passwords, and having a backup plan should your technology fail. The next file I'd like to draw your attention to are the communication guidelines. You'll want to read over this file very carefully. We give you protocols for emailing your instructors as well as communicating with your peers. This includes information such as using correct grammar, punctuation, and also being positive and helpful using your best etiquette, which you learned at the beginning of the year. Remember, when you're posting with your friends, be considerate and be polite. Next, I'd like to draw your attention to the Edmodo Discussion Forum rubric. This rubric will help you understand how you will be assessed for posting and contributing to the learning in your small group environment. You'll be assessed based on the content of your comments, your critical thinking skills, the quality of your writing, and also the timeliness when posting. If you scroll down, you'll see there is another page to the rubric, and this is how we'll evaluate your response to your peers. Lastly, you have 2 videos to refer to. The Brain Pop, Learn About Plagiarism, and also Discussion Board Etiquette. You will be viewing these videos in Module 0 as you learn to navigate the Edmodo course. Your tasks for today will be to take a genetics pretest. Show us what you know. This will not be graded for accuracy, though we do expect you to do your best. Next, you're going to view the course orientation screencast, which is what you're doing right now. Then you'll view the Brain Pop plagiarism video and take the quiz. Lastly, you will navigate to your small group activity. If you notice, under your Blended Genetics Unit tab, you will see a small group that you have been assigned to. These groups were formed with all 300 students. But for the duration of this unit, you'll be focusing your work and your learning with about 10 students, as well as your teachers. This is your small group space, where you'll work together collaboratively to provide each other with support and feedback. Today you'll be introducing yourselves to each other since you're not all in the same classes together. First, you'll watch the discussion board video attached below and then click reply to tell us 3 things about yourself, 2 of which will be true and 1 of which will be untrue. Your classmates will try to guess which one is true. When participating in a discussion forum, make sure you click the reply button and add your thoughts to the main topic. If you'd like to start a new topic, then you'll need to create a new post. Go to the top of the page and type your message in, and make sure you're sending it to the correct small group. Your small groups are private and can only be seen by the 10 members that are in it, as well as the teachers who are moderating. The most important thing to remember is that if you need help, you have to ask. You can email your teachers, you can post a discussion in Edmodo to either your teachers or to your classmates. Teaching and learning online will be a new experience for all of us, and we look forward to learning and working together. This concludes the course orientation screencast.